Time Saver Traffic, I'm Carrie Ross Miller.
2 minutes past 5 o'clock now, and starting today, Ohio's hit-and-run drivers will face tougher penalties. It's always been a crime to leave the scene of a crash, but a loophole prevented stiff penalties. And Jordan Burgess out live to explain this morning's top story. Jordan.
Right now, we're in a closed-off construction zone here at Interstate 675 and US 35. But imagine for a minute if a car came through here and struck a worker and then tried to leave. Well, that's exactly what happened at one construction zone. Some people feel the driver didn't get harsh enough penalties, and that's why this new law would carry with it a felony charge. And not just in construction zones, but any accident where somebody is injured. Now, this new law came about because of an accident that a construction worker was hit here on Interstate 75 near the 3rd Street exit about a year ago. The driver left the scene but was later tracked down. But he ended up with only a fine and no jail time. That's because under the old law, leaving the scene was only a felony if you made the victim's injuries worse by leaving. The new law makes it a felony regardless if you end up injuring someone. Now, one woman we talked with whose mother was killed in a hit-and-run accident has been asking for tougher penalties.
It was devastating. I don't even know how to begin to explain it. It brings tears to my eyes every time that I hear that it does happen, and they get justice, but not enough justice.
Now, we're told under the new law, hitting and injuring somebody and then leaving the scene could mean 6 months to a year in prison, and hitting and killing somebody and leaving the scene could be 5 years in prison.